Hello, it's Big Chad. This is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chad's Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the concept of Japanese candlestick shadows and reversal candles and retesting those ranges, and the concept that the best entries often come from the retests of a reversal candle's range. All right. So, for example, take like a Southern Doji or reversal candles, like a long leg Doji or a hammer, or really any lower shadow candle. This is a big reversal candle. How about right here? We have a strong move down, nice hammer candle. Well, you can take an entry on the close of the hammer candle, or you can wait for a retest of the range of the reversal candle, the lower shadows range. You often, especially the midpoint of a reversal candle's shadow. So often, if you're just patient, you can wait for a retest. You see this all the time, whether it be a bullish or a bearish retest. In this case, it's a bullish hammer. You see it happen here as well, where this range was retested. So if you're patient, you often get a retest, right, of the range of a reversal candle, not just in the bullish variety, but also in the bearish variety. Let's see if we can find some examples of that. So, if, for example, here, if you have the price advancing and then it pauses, like right here. All right, now you actually went a little bit higher, but here was a reversal candle. The price came back and it retested the range. Reversal candle, the price was retesting the range. Reversal candle retested the range. You want to be careful with Japanese candlestick signals, right? Because you want to think, all right, there's a hammer candle, right? The bottom is in, right? But you really can often get a pretty good entry when it retests that range. It's giving you what is the idea of like a pullback or an underside retest, right? So you have support level broken, comes back and retest it, or even like a throwback, right? So just a retest of a price level or a price area. Like I said, right here, it's retesting it. And you can find examples of this all the time. Low time frame, high time frame. So if you find yourself really itching to get in, right? You're just itching. Here's a reversal candle. Came back and retested all the way to the bottom range. Sweep and recapture, continued higher, eventually back lower, but you had a decent trade from there. But regardless, whether it's a Southern Doji, bullish reversal candle, or a bullish pin bar, or a Northern Doji, a bearish reversal candlestick, or a bearish pin bar, you're better off just waiting for a retest of the range and giving yourself something to work with, a little bit of a discount, rather than just jumping in when the candle completes. Sometimes it will just shoot right up, but oftentimes after a move down and you form a reversal candle, it's going to come back and retest it. And you can use that to manage your risk and get a little bit better entry. So that's what Japanese candlestick theory teaches us, is that the best entries often come from the retest of a reversal candle's range. This is part of the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube, Chad's Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. Talk to you soon. Big Chads out.